How to use the synonyms feature in Microsoft Word. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use the synonym feature in your Microsoft Word. But before I teach you guys that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step is obviously opening up your Word document. Open any Word document that you want. After that, head over to the word that you want to find the synonym of. So let's say this is the word right here. So first select the word like this. Then right click on it. So let me, right click on it again. And then there you'll find the synonyms option. If you just hover over it, you'll find the synonyms here. As you might have already guessed, this feature is also known as the Thesaurus feature. If you tap on it, it'll just give you more options available right here. So now you can choose whichever you want and it'll actually change it to that. So if I select this, I can look through the words that are available here and then replace that with this. And it's basically that simple. Now this feature is here in Microsoft Word by default, so it should work on any of your devices just fine. If it's not working, you might want to try updating your Word. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.